Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about alphabets with their phonic sounds. Let's start. You all have to repeat after me, okay? This is A. The sound of A is A. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. X. A. Aeroplane. A. Arrow. B. The sound of B is B. B. Butterfly. B. Balloons. B. Bus. B. Boy. B. Bell. C. The sound of C is K. K. Cat. K. Cow. K. Camel. K. Cake. K. Crayons. D. The sound of D is D. D. Doll. D. Dolphin. D. Duck. D. Deer. D. Drum. E. And the sound of E is A. A. Egg. A. Elephant. A. Envelope. A. Emu. A. Escalator. F. The sound of F is F. F. Fan. F. Fish. F. Fruits. F. Frog. F. Fox. G. The sound of G is G. G. Goat. G. Gift. G. Grapes. G. Girl. G. Grass. H. The sound of H is H. H. Hen. H. Home. H. Hat. H. Heart. H. Hand. I. The sound of I is E. E. Insect. E. Igloo. E. Ink pot. E. Injection. E. Infant. J. The sound of J is J. J. Joker. J. Jug. J. Juice. J. Jacket. J. Jeep. K. The sound of K is K. K, kite. K, kangaroo. K, kiwi. K, key. K, king. L. The sound of L is L. L, lion. L, lamb. L, leaf. L, lamp. L, log. M. The sound of M is M. M, mango. M, money. M, milk. M, moon. M, monkey. N. The sound of N is N. N, nurse. N, nail. N, net. N, nine. N, nest. O. The sound of O is O. O, owl. O, octopus. O, orange. O, ostrich. O, okra. P. The sound of P is P. P, pencil. P, pumpkin. P, panda. P, penguin. P, peacock. Q. The sound of Q is Q. Q, queen. Q, quiet. Q, quail. Q, quill. Q, question. R. The sound of R is R. R, rose. R, rabbit. R, rainbow. R, ring. R, rooster. S. The sound of S is S. S, star. S, snake. S, sun. S, snail. S, sword. T. The sound of T is T. T, tiger. T, turtle. T, tree. T, table. T, train. U. The sound of U is A. A, umbrella. A, urn. A, up. A, under. A, umpire. V. The sound of V is V. V. Vegetables. V. Violin. V. Van. V. Volcano. V. Vase. W. The sound of W is V. V. Watch. V. Watermelon. V. Water. V. Window. V. Wheel. X. The sound of X is Z. Xylophone. Xerox. Zemania. Y. The sound of Y is Y. Y. Yo-yo. Y. Yoga. Y. Yak. Y. Yam. Y. Yarn. Z. The sound of Z is Z. Z. Zebra. Z. Zip. Z. Zoo. Z. Zero.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Subscribe to my channel. Get notified.